WordPress still runs a huge slice of the web, so let's be clear, it isn't dying. But a lot of people are quietly leaving in 2026, and it's not a fad. There are three honest reasons behind it, and one fair caveat. Let's go through all four. Reason one, and it's the big one, maintenance fatigue. A typical WordPress blog leans on 20-odd plugins, each with its own update cycle, and updates that break each other. People aren't leaving because it can't do things. They're leaving because keeping it running became a second job. Reason two follows straight from it. Security. WordPress core is solid, but the vast majority of breaches trace back to a single outdated or abandoned plugin. When every add-on is another door, keeping them all locked is exhausting, and one missed update can undo everything. Reason 3. Speed. Stack enough plugins and page builders and the site slows to a crawl, which hurts your Google ranking and loses impatient readers. People want a blog that's fast by default, not one they have to fight to make quick. Here's what that feels like. So where are they going? Toward platforms where it's built in and hosted, nothing to patch, fast out of the box. On VeloCMS, Yusuf's SEO, newsletter, and shop are all there without a single plugin, and the maintenance list he dreaded just doesn't exist. Now, the honest caveat, because you deserve it. If you need one very specific plugin, or you want to self-host on your own server with total control, WordPress still wins that. Leaving is about trading control for calm. A great deal for most bloggers, not for everyone. Maintenance, security, speed, that's why people are leaving. If you're one of them, try the Calm alternative free for 14 days at VeloCMS.org.